Hello everyone, it's my special lecture regarding programming using 8085 simulator. So I'll give you a demonstration how can we use 8085 simulator app. So it's the first program, write a program to add 2 8-bit number. This program which I already discussed in my previous videos. So it is a demonstration, or you can say it is a practical work. So as I already discussed this program, let's suppose we have a two number in two different location, like we have a number 203048 is the first number, 20 in location 2031 the second number, and 2032 we choose as a result. So first we have to load these numbers as an input in the given location, and it's very interesting. You can change these number, but as you change the number, the result will also change. So you have only give your input address. So the program LXIH 2030, it takes first number, next MOV move M, A, then transfer this number memory to the accumulator, then INXH, next memory address, then second number loaded in the memory, then after add M, A is equal to A plus M, the result will store in accumulator. Then after we have to store this result into the given memory location, that means 2032, so STA 2032. So this result is loaded in this location. After that HLT, that means hold. So it is a program. Let's suppose we have chosen the starting address is 2000. Let's suppose. So first we have to write the opcode of LXIH. As we know, LXIH 2030 3-byte instruction, that means it takes 3 location. So first we have to load the LXI opcode. So how can we get the opcode? So first we have, it is a 8085 simulator. It is an instruction. You can type LXIH, and here it is a 21. So in this app you can search, or you can just click. So you can search any opcode. You can easily find the opcode of any number. So here the opcode of LXIH, the opcode of LXIH is 21. First we have to write the low order 30, then after high order 20. So it is the complete LXIH 2030. Then after move A, M. So we can search the opcode of MOV move A, M. So it is a 7E. Then it is a 1-byte instruction, so it takes only one location. Then after INXH, it is also 1-byte instruction. So what is the opcode of INXH? It's 23. Then after add M, it is also 1-byte instruction. So it takes only one location. Here 86. The opcode of add M is 86. You can search in a given app. Then after STA 2032, the opcode of STA is 32. And the first we have to load the low order. So the low order, is 32. So here we can write again 32, then after high order 20, then after 76. So it is a complete programming, and you have to type this into the given simulator. So first you have to click on subset memory. Here your starting address, you can choose any starting address, 2000. Then next, what you have write previously, first it is a 21, so you have to write 21. Next, LXIS 2030. So my dear friend, first we have to load the input numbers. So we can use submit memory, then 2030. Next we have loaded 48, then 42, and the result is stored in the consecutive location. Now again reset, we have to write the program. So here subset memory 2000. Next, first 21, then after 30 we have to write, then after 20, then after 70, then after 23, then after 86, then after 32, 20, again it is I think 76. It is last location 76. So then after reset, then go, then starting address 200, execute. Here if it is written E, then your program is executed. Then after reset, you have to check your result, then memory 2030, 48, 42, and the result is 8A. So with the help of this simulator, you can write any program or check your result in a given location, as we discuss here. So first you have to write your program, then you have to convert your program with the help of opcode and your inputs. Then after you can check your result here. So it is all about a lecture. If you have any problem, then you can contact me, or you can share your problem in a WhatsApp number. And next day, that means Saturday, you have to perform at least 2 to 3 experiments and share your screenshot with me. Thank you.